of Pentad of Might in Zyphkammer's ancient halls. The Pentad stands in the Vortex's light as night on Astralyx falls. Parts replaced in ancient frame, the Vortex stirs but incomplete. One piece remains in destiny's game, a mission yet to meet. In shadows of a buried room, where secrets old reside, they conscript soldiers against impending doom to turn the rising tide. To the Sacred Feuergeist, who plays desolate and vast, evading dynasties and spies. Evading dynasties and spies, in shadows they are cast, through tunnels dark and pathways unseen. Pentad's quest. Sacred Feuergeist, through plains desolate and vast, evading dynasties and spies, in shadows they are cast, through tunnels dark and pathways unseen. The Pentad's quest. They answer destiny's call. Destiny